Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back with another video. Here is a recipe for gulab jamun. So firstly, the ingredients for the sugar syrup: half cup sugar, half cup water, and 4 green cardamoms crushed, and 1 teaspoon rose water. For the dough, ingredients for the dough: 1 cup milk powder, and 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and a large pinch of soda, pinch of baking soda, 1 teaspoon ghee, 1 tablespoon yogurt, or 3 to 4 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoon of milk. Instruction for the sugar syrup: first of all, add sugar and crushed cardamoms to a pot, and pour in water and boil until the syrup becomes sticky. Turn off the stove and add rose water. For the dough, instruction for the dough: mix the milk powder, flour, and soda. Add the ghee and mix well. Add the yogurt or lemon juice and milk. Make a dough and divide it into 14 to 18 smooth portions like smooth balls. Make the portions into smooth balls. Frying the gulab jamuns: pure ghee or oil into a hot pan. Add the dough ball and fry for 1 to 2 minutes, and reduce the flame and fry until golden. Add the fried dough balls into the hot sugar syrup. Let it cool and serve with chopped pistachios.